Jai Hind all of you. So welcome to the class and let's see that what is our today's topic. So today we are going to cover the topic which is on the experimental basis of the Hershey and Chase. This experiment is called as Hershey and Chase and this was done for the evidence of bacteriophage infection that DNA is hereditary material. So through the bacteriophage it was proved by Hershey and Chase in a perfect way that DNA is the only and only hereditary material which transfers characters from one generation to the other. So let us see that what is this experiment done by Hershey and Chase. They had done this experiment in the year 1952 on the basis of these two bacteriophages. So what they did, the phage was attached with itself to the bacterial cell. As you can see, this bacteriophage is there and it is attached with the bacterial cell. So that by its tail, so that the DNA present inside the head is transferred into the bacterium and protein coat is left outside. Alright, so that inside the bacterial cell, the phage DNA which is there to multiply and produce a large number of new phage DNA molecules, so that each of these DNA molecules develop its own protein coat from the daughter phage particles. So it was done so that whatever the bacterium is over here in this bacteriophage, they have got treated with the other coats, with the different coats, and they have left over here their original coats, so that now further when they are going to do multiplication, so that in this multiplication, in the new multiplication when they are going to do, they will develop or adapt the another coat. Okay, so for that purpose their protein coat was taken out. So now let's start with this. Here these are the two conditions. In the first bacteriophage, protein coat with the radioactive S35 was introduced, whereas in the other bacteriophage, the DNA which is inside over here of this bacterium was with the radioactive P32. So here you have to keep one thing. Here in this bacteriophage there is a protein coat, remember this, with the radioactive, and here there is a DNA which is labeled with the radioactive P32. So now let's see what steps were there. At the first stage or the first step of this experiment, they did infection. Now what was this infection? In this infection, the DNA was introduced with the protein coat left out. Okay, so whatever protein coat was left out, that was introduced here in this picture. You can see in this culture media. So in this culture media they had introduced the protein coat. Now coming to the second generation or the second step of this experiment. Here in this experiment, in this step of the experiment, they did blending. Now blending for what? They have removed protein coat from the bacterial cells. Now as you can see, these bacteria are developing over here. So now from these bacteria, the protein coat which they have developed was taken out. So here they have removed the protein coat which they have adapted or made in their cells. So that's why it is the blending. In both the bacteriophages, this blending was done. The third step is of centrifugation. Now what is centrifugation? In centrifugation, it was separated serpentally and the bacterial cell, which means they have separated supernatant, whatever is over here, that supernatant was taken out and was separated from these bacterial cells. There should be nothing else produced or nothing else was found over here except these DNAs and the protein. Okay, DNA for here and the protein for here. Apart from this, there was nothing else left because it was there to be concluded. No carbohydrate, nothing was over here. Only with their coatings they were left over here, and the S35 in this and the P32 in this. Now further, at the last stage when they came, they have tested for the radioactive. So now in these bacteriums, in these bacteria, they have to find that whether now the offsprings, those who have gone through the multiplication and multiplication, now these bacteria are whether having this radioactive or not, because at the beginning only their body was labeled, their body was introduced with these different radioactives, right? So now at this stage they have found that in this there was the presence of P32. So here P32 was present. How come this was? Because of the DNA. But here in this stage they have not got S35. So S35 was not present over here. So they came to know because they have removed each and everything at this stage. So there was nothing left with them. So now only the protein was over here. So they came to know that no, protein is not at all the genetic material, or protein is not at all the heredity material. It's only the DNA, because DNA has carried P32. The parent's character which was introduced over here, this has reached over here, but in this case this was not reached over here because it was only having the protein. Alright, so this experiment was proved over here. Now here, as you can see, the supernatant found. Here, as you have seen, the supernatant was removed, right? But still the radioactives were having supernatant over here. But in this case there was no supernatant. That means they are doing variation also. So the dominant and recessive case is still going on, and still the heredity character which is introduced at the beginning, that is followed by the other generations too. So this was the Hershey and Chase experiment. So hope you are clear with this. So thank you for watching the video.